Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, I bring you this 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution GSR. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Evo. We'll start it up, show the engine, go over the performance data, and get an exhaust clip, as well as show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, I'm at Independence Motors of Charlotte, North Carolina. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. It's the graphite gray pearl exterior with black cloth interior. Recaro bucket seats, 5-speed manual transmission. Aluminum sport pedals. It does have keyless ignition. Just have the key fob in your pocket and turn this integrated key here. Very nice. It's a leather wrapped steering wheel with color contrast stitching. Like I said, it is a 5-speed manual. All the way down, over for reverse. Automatic driver's side window. Go ahead and turn on the headlights, as well as the fog lights, and the hazards. Now let's go and check out the exterior, shall we? Upon closing the door, you'll notice the car will start beeping. That basically tells you that the car has lost detection of the proximity key fob until it re-enters the cabin of the vehicle. High intensity discharge headlamps. Fog lamps with chrome accents. Very aggressive, sporty styling cues. Sets it greatly apart from the standard Lancer. Does have Brembo brakes. LED turn signals on the sides of the fenders. The signature Evo spoiler. Integrated rear diffuser. Just gonna pop the hood. The Evo comes with a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder. Produces 291 horsepower at 6,500 RPM and 300 foot-pounds of torque at 4,000 RPM. And the car is all-wheel drive. Cold air induction system. Cloth door inserts, power windows, locks and mirrors. The Recaro seats in this vehicle are very supportive, good and firm. It's your trunk and fuel cap release, and it does come with a tilt steering wheel. So let's go ahead and see how she sounds. hear that turbo whine. This vehicle does have side airbags. Comes with the optional Rockford Fosgate sound system, navigation through this screen here, touchscreen navigation. Flickering is just a trick of the camera. CD player, navigation drive. It's a very neat system once you get used to it. And it does have Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary input, simple to use climate control, different zones, power outlet. Cruise control, as well as your all-wheel drive and traction control settings, all selected through the heads-up display up here. Alrighty, just going to shut it down. Let's go and check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Place to put your fuel cap. It's very soft material on the seats. Nice and padded. Pretty good rear seat room. I'm about 5'10" myself. Probably about an inch and a half of space. It's a fair amount of trunk space. Not the biggest, but do remember your wiper fluid tank is back here, as well as your battery. Rockford Fosgate subwoofer. Manual passenger seat as well. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour on the 2008 Mitsubishi Evo GSR. Be sure to stay tuned next time, as a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.